Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix apps, games and programs not opening in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your start button right here and you're going to type in registry editor. Okay, once you have registry editor here in your best match, you're going to right click on it and click on run as an administrator. Okay, click on yes for the administrator prompt, and then here before you do anything, you're going to click on file, export, and then you're going to export it and then you're going to name it registry before editor or today's date or anything, and just save it in your desktop and just save the file. Okay, so this is a backup. If you mess up anything here, you can just go back, import back that file, and everything should be back to normal. So make sure you click on file, export, and save a file in your desktop. Okay, so that will help you revert back the settings that you have made after this. Okay, so once the backup has settled, what you're going to do is you're going to go into here, key classes root, and then you're going to go down and find .exe right here. See here, .exe. Just left click on it one time and double click on the default value. Here, make sure it says EXEFILE. Okay, it has to say EXEFILE as one word, guys. Okay, and then click on OK, and then next you're going to search for exe file, which you can just type it out. Just click on here and just type it exe file right here, exe file. Okay, here you're just gonna left click on it once, and in the default value make sure it says application, APPLICATION. Okay, so make sure it says application and then click on OK, and next under the exe file you're just going to click the arrow beside it. Okay, and then you're going to go into shell right here, click on the arrow beside that, and then you're just going to click on open. Just click on open, left click on it once, and then in the default value make sure it's empty. Make sure you have nothing right here. Click on OK. So once that is done, you can go ahead and close everything back, and you're going to restart your computer. Okay, so once you restart, your program should run fine, everything should be fine, and everything should be back to normal. So that's all for this video, guys. If it helped you, do support by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.